Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Today I came with very beautiful and unique craft using foam sheet and ribbon. For that I am taking the small piece of newspaper which is having the width 3 centimeters and length 2.5 centimeters approximately. To get the top part of the frock, cut the newspaper as shown here. Now top part shape is ready. Now take the glitter foam sheet. Now place the wrong side of the sheet facing towards us and place that piece of newspaper and write as shown here. For completion of it, remove that paper piece and cut it out as shown here. Now give a final finishing cut to get the better look. Now be ready with needle and thread and take the ribbon and give a pleats as shown here. Before fixing the length of the ribbon, first form the pleats as shown here. If the look is good for that particular length of the ribbon, cut that length of the ribbon and give a pleats as shown here. Give stitch. Now give a heat touch up with the lighter for the raw edges of the ribbon. Now form the pleats and fix them by giving sewing as shown here. Now join the top part and frock part by giving stitching as shown here. Now take the 1/4 inch of the ribbon to form the bow as shown here. And join that bow to the frock by giving stitching as shown. Now take the white bead and stitch as shown here. This craft is very beautiful. You definitely try it. Now give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. Now beautiful frock part is ready. Take the tic tac and apply some glue on it to stick that frock part. Now beautiful clip is ready to use. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.